You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. Many mispronounce them both or get confused by them. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. The top word here is mean. Mean is when somebody is really not very good, a bad person. Mean, it's also an intent to convey or refer to a particular thing. To mean, the verb mean. Now, the bottom word is a man, somebody, a person, a male. Man. Americans pronounce it as man. Mean, a long E sound, spelling M-E-A-N, mean. Bottom word, man. How to pronounce in English? English pronunciations, mean, man. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.